I set goals that I want to do for my family. And so I write them down. They're in my room. They're in my office. I see them. I've been practicing a lot of positive affirmations, reading my goals out loud.
With all that too, have you ever set goals often for like anything to do with real estate, and like how are they different from like when you first started? Like your goals probably change as you go through.
Oh yeah, before I had no goals. It was just like sell house, just get another client. You're kind of just living client to client. But the beginning of this year, I set a goal for myself. I set a financial goal. I set a listing goal. I set a buyer's goal. I set goals that I want to do for my family. And so I write them down. They're in my room. They're in my office. I see them. I've been practicing a lot of positive affirmations, reading my goals out loud. Sound like a crazy lady when you're just home by yourself reading goals out loud. But those goals have helped me really, when I read the goals and I write them down, it's really helped me see the bigger picture and really go after the goals. So, I mean, this year's been my best year in real estate. It's been amazing. And it's all because of the goal setting, the coaching program. And the coaching program helps me set the goals too. And what's attainable versus what's just a far-fetched goal, you know? And so it's been a wild ride with goal setting. I think it's super, super important no matter what industry you're in. I used to do this in financial services. I just never thought to do it in real estate, and it's changed my business.